Hey guys, the good folks over at ZAZARI sent me over this metal detector to do a little box opening, see what we get with it, and then try it out. Now this is not going to be an expert review here, because I do not know much at all about metal detectors. So we're going to see how easy it is for somebody that don't know anything about them to get it set up and use it. So here we go. Got a user manual. Have a carrying case here. There is a good video on the Amazon product page that tells you how to use it and everything, so you might want to check that out. It was a 9-volt battery. It's like a shovel. Yeah, it's got a little shovel here. Fairly small, but it ought to do the job. You don't want it too big because it'd be too much to carry. Got some headphones here. Oh, here's another 9-volt battery. And our metal detector itself says press. So I guess we press that. Oh, okay. Yeah, there we go. That one said press. There we go. It goes together pretty easy there. Okay, this just slides out. That adjuster for your arm. That ought to work pretty good. Got a release right here. You can push that, and that'll extend that on. Whoa. It goes all the way out. Oh, this is waterproof. Oh, okay. It's got inches on this right here. But anyway, this is waterproof just from here down. This part right here is not waterproof. So if you do get it in the water, this end right here, you can put that in the water. Okay, we have our power button right here, our up and down keys, and that is the PP key. So I guess PP is pinpoint mode. We have our enter key, obviously, our menu. It has a backlit, so if you're in a darker area, you'll be able to turn that little backlight on. You can get the batteries in there, and we'll see how well that lights it up. Right here on the back is where we're going to put the batteries. Okay, we got our batteries in here. If you'll put them in this end in first, then this end will pop on back. If you try to do it the other way, it's a little more difficult to do. We should have power. Okay, if you'll look right here, it'll change when I hit the menu button. We want to turn it down. There we go. And we want to go back to our sensitivity. You can lower that. I guess it's picking up the metal underneath this desk. It definitely is working. Now you can hit that backlit button. You can see it brightens it up. That'd be nice when it's darker outside. And you can delete some of these types of metals. I will put a link down in the description that goes to a video that shows you how to do that. But right now, we're just going to leave it with it picking out everything. Let's go out in the backyard and see what it is. This house was built in 1936, so I have no idea what we might find and what we won't find. Let's try it out. I'm going to start up here by the back of the house and see if we can pick anything up. I don't know. All right, it's showing something to be right here. So we're going to dig it up right there and just see. Well, I'll be dogged. It did find something. Well, it wasn't a big piece of gold. It was actually just a wire. But it definitely found it. Cover our hole back up here. My only issue with it is it's short. You kind of have to bend over, and I'm only 5'9". This needed to be about 6 inches longer. I mean, that's okay, but I've got this, you can't slide this further, and I've got this extended out as far where it says Mac. So that's as far out as that can go. And this wouldn't make no difference because your hand's still gonna be right there. But it's not bad. It's lightweight, that's for sure. It's not heavy. So you can swing that thing around, carry it all day if you wanted to. But it would be nice if it was, 6 to 10 inches longer, but maybe you're not supposed to hold it right on the ground. Maybe you're supposed to hold it above the ground. Like I said, I'm not an expert. I'm gonna try it out there just for the fun of it. In the meantime, if y'all would like to get one of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. This is gonna be fun. I'm kind of interested. Just a piece of wire there, but cover this whole backyard. I don't know. Might find a spoon or a Hot Wheel. Who knows? House was built in 1936. I doubt anybody's ever used a metal detector back here, so we'll find out. I'm not going to bore y'all with all that, but I'm going to give it a thumbs up, mainly because it found that wire, and it's lightweight and very simple to use. This is easy. You don't need to be no expert to use this one. You can probably brush up on your skills a little bit and learn more about the settings, make it a lot easier, but just right out of the box and turn it on and start using it, we just proved that you can do that. Anyway, definitely a we'll get it this way, definitely a thumbs up. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you might make through any of my Amazon links, like this, for instance, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.